Hi, Reno fam. Thank you very much for coming back to walk this journey with me. So, this is week 3. So, awing. Let's see what's happening, how the breaking down is going, and we'll take it from there. So, here you will see the bar is completely gone, and the ceiling has now started coming off. And at this moment, it's just the ceiling again, not the entire roof. So here the sliding doors have been removed and the space enlarged. Also the cupboards that were still remaining have been removed to prepare for breaking and for plastering and all that. So this DB board was just by our bedroom corridor. It has been moved now to the garage, so everything was redone. So you'll see here the sliding doors, the walk-in closet has been reduced. It's smaller now because we are accommodating a glass panel or a viewing panel for the walk-in closet. So as a self-appointed project manager, we decided I'll find a plumber, all the service providers. So knowing me, wanted to support black business, and this time I wanted to support from Vendati. So I contacted someone, a plumber, and organized a kopane with the husband so they can do the quotations and everything. He gave us a quotation and we had a thumbs up to do the work. He started the work, and from our observation, he did not know much about the work, but his workers did. So, and also his workers were like Batubaba Toting and just came and worked with them. We didn't have any issue with that. It wasn't our business, but and now we do an itemized a quotation whereby you will let us know how much it costs for the material, and when we give you the money, go and buy the material. We want to see the receipt so that we can see that you're spending that amount of money on the material, and there's also your labor, which is not part of the material. So this guy kept on telling us like to go buy material. Then we would give him the money to go buy material. I think wouldn't even make sense on the list that like he would write it in a way that he only understands it, so we can't really even Google it. So we would ask him, okay, fine, can we please have those receipts because we need to put them on the side to see our expenditure and everything. And the guy wouldn't do that. He would like tell us a hefty amount of this is how much I need to buy the material, but the material thing I feel is like, you know, like 3 things, and when you take those things and then you Google them and find they like cost you, for example, like $1,000, and feel 6,000 for those 3 things. So he was ripping us off, and he was also not doing a proper job because the builder could tell her, no, you can't do this and you can't do that, because our builder knows everything from electricity to plumbing. It's just that he couldn't do everything by himself. So he would tell him, no, what you are doing is wrong. Try and do it in a certain way. So basically, what I can say is that the guy didn't know what he was doing, and the last day his people didn't even come, so we had to let him go. Unfortunately, when we let him go, he wanted us to pay him everything that he had quoted us. We didn't mind paying him whatever that we might need to pay him, because we had given him half of the labor even before he did anything. He did 12% of the job, but he was actually paid half of the labor. And also we had given him a lot of money for the material, so we said to him, okay, fine, give us the receipts for the material so that we can see how much you've spent. If you have overspent, we can pay you back. Well, I'm still waiting for that. Anyway, moving along, we found another plumber, so everything is working well now.